In this video, I'll go over the Canva AI video generator feature. I'll show you how you can access it, how you can use it, and I'll show you some examples of what it can actually do, and it's pretty powerful, so I'll show you exactly how you can use it right now. First, of course, you will need to have a Canva account. You can try it in the free plan, pro plan, or Teams plan, and I'll show you where you can try it right now. So simply create a design and just go and select video right here. Now what you want to do is in the left right here, click on apps, and then from apps, the app that you want to choose is Magic Media right here. So you can also search for it in search Canva apps right there. So select Magic Media, and right here you have images and videos. So I'm going to use videos right here. Now I am using the pro plan, and as you can see I get 50 credits per month in the pro plan, and I've already used one of them, but the pro plan gives you 50 credits per month to use the AI video generator. So here enter 5 or more words to describe what you want to generate. Now you can also click inspire me right here, and then it will create something for you. So in this case, a beautiful spring rose in a garden in the style of professional cinematography, natural light. So if you want to get something very specific, it's important to choose the style and the lighting and just add as many details as you can. So then once you have your prompt right here, and the more detail right here the better, you want to click generate video. Now it is generating your AI generated video for you, and this can take 1 to 2 minutes. So now it has generated the video for me. The first time it didn't work, but the second time it did work, and now you can just click on it in order to import it. Then if you right click on it and click set video as background, it will be the background. So now you can play it. And you can even see that it focuses in and out a little bit right here, which makes it look very real and professional. So this is a great video, and it looks absolutely perfect in my opinion. Now let's just try something a little bit more difficult. For example, I will write a rover exploring Mars. So after you write something new, just click generate again right here, and then again wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So now it has created this video right here of a rover exploring Mars. So I'm just going to do this again, import it and put this one as the background. And now let's just take a look at this video right here. So you can see again, this is a very impressive video for an AI video generation, and it's just really awesome to see what this tool can actually create. So this video right here, in my opinion, looks very good. Now one thing to bear in mind is that if you have an animal or a person, for example, in the video, then it may look a little bit weird, and I'll give you an example of this. I will say panda eating bamboo, and I'll show you what it does right now. So right here it has created this video right now, and I'll show you what this looks like. So if I put this as the background and just go ahead and play it, you can see that it looks a little bit weird, and this is of course not how a panda eats bamboo. So when you are creating a video of a human being or an animal, it may look a little bit weird like this. So it's mainly good if you just want to create nature videos, or for example the Mars rover, stuff like that it's very good at. So, and it is always improving, so you can just try it out, kind of experiment with some prompts, see what it creates, and it can create some pretty cool AI generated videos like this one right here, or like this one right here. So now you know how to access the Canva AI video generator, how you can actually use it, and what it's good at and what it's not very good at yet. If this Canva AI video generator tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.